Drinking water on an empty stomach isn't just about hydration. It's about triggering a cascade of biological processes that can transform your health, boost your energy, and potentially add years to your life. What happens in your body during the first few hours after drinking water on an empty stomach is nothing short of remarkable. Most people start their day with coffee, tea, or food, completely missing out on one of the most powerful health practices known to medical science. But when you drink water first thing in the morning before consuming anything else, you're essentially giving your body the perfect conditions to perform its most crucial maintenance and repair functions. Today, we're going to walk through exactly what happens hour by hour when you drink water on an empty stomach, and why this simple practice could be the most important health decision you make every single day. Hour 1 begins the moment water enters your empty stomach. Within the first 15 minutes, your stomach immediately begins producing gastric juices in response to the water. But without food present, these digestive enzymes start cleaning and preparing your digestive system for the day ahead. Your stomach lining receives gentle hydration, helping to protect it from the acidic environment it will encounter when you eventually eat. During this first hour, water rapidly moves from your stomach into your small intestine, where the majority of absorption takes place. Your body recognizes that it's receiving pure hydration without the complex task of breaking down food, so it can focus entirely on distributing this water to every cell and organ system that desperately needs it after hours without hydration during sleep. Your kidneys immediately benefit during this first hour. After 6 to 8 hours without fluid intake, your kidneys have been working hard to concentrate your urine and preserve water. The fresh water intake allows your kidneys to begin flushing out toxins and waste products that have accumulated overnight, essentially giving these vital organs the resources they need to perform their filtration duties effectively. Hour 2 brings dramatic changes to your cellular hydration. Your blood volume begins to normalize as water enters your bloodstream, improving circulation throughout your entire body. This enhanced blood flow delivers oxygen and nutrients more efficiently to your brain, which is why many people report feeling more alert and mentally clear after drinking water on an empty stomach. Your lymphatic system, which is responsible for removing waste and toxins from your tissues, becomes more active during the second hour. This system relies heavily on adequate hydration to transport lymphatic fluid throughout your body. With fresh water available, your lymphatic vessels can more effectively drain toxins that have accumulated in your tissues. Overnight, during this second hour, your metabolism begins to increase. Studies show that drinking water on an empty stomach can boost your metabolic rate by up to 24%. This means your body starts burning calories more efficiently, and this metabolic boost can last for several hours after your initial water intake. Hour 3 is when the detoxification process reaches full efficiency. Your liver, which has been working throughout the night to process toxins and metabolic waste, now has the hydration it needs to complete these processes more effectively. Water helps your liver produce bile, which is essential for breaking down fats and eliminating fat-soluble toxins from your body. Your skin begins to benefit significantly during the third hour, As your cells become properly hydrated from the inside out, your skin's elasticity improves, and the natural process of cellular renewal becomes more efficient. Many people notice that their skin looks more radiant and feels more supple when they consistently practice drinking water on an empty stomach. Your digestive system preparation reaches its peak during this third hour. Your stomach and intestines have been thoroughly cleansed and hydrated, creating optimal conditions for nutrient absorption when you eventually eat your first meal. This is why people who drink water on an empty stomach often report better digestion throughout the day. Alpha brings cardiovascular benefits that can have long-term health implications. Your blood pressure begins to stabilize as your blood volume normalizes. Proper hydration helps your heart pump more efficiently, reducing the strain on your cardiovascular system. This is particularly important for people with existing heart conditions or those at risk for cardiovascular disease. Your brain function continues to improve during the fourth hour. The brain is approximately 75% water, and even mild dehydration can significantly impact cognitive performance. With optimal hydration restored, your concentration, memory, and decision-making abilities function at their peak levels. During this fourth hour, your body's natural appetite regulation systems begin to function more effectively. Proper hydration helps your body distinguish between genuine hunger and thirst, which many people confuse throughout the day. This can lead to better portion control and more mindful eating habits. Our 5 and beyond represent the sustained benefits of morning water intake. Your energy levels remain stable because your body isn't struggling with dehydration-related fatigue. Your immune system functions more effectively because proper hydration is essential for the production and circulation of white blood cells and other immune factors. Your joint health improves as the synovial fluid that lubricates your joints becomes properly hydrated. This can reduce stiffness and improve mobility, particularly important as we age. Many people notice less morning stiffness when they consistently hydrate first thing in the morning. The temperature of the water you drink matters significantly. Room temperature or slightly warm water is ideal because it doesn't shock your digestive system. Very cold water can actually slow down the digestive process and may cause your blood vessels to constrict temporarily. Warm water can enhance the detoxification process and is particularly soothing for your digestive organs. The amount of water is also crucial. Most health experts recommend drinking 16 to 20 ounces of water on an empty stomach. This is enough to trigger all the beneficial processes we've discussed without overwhelming your system. Some people start with smaller amounts and gradually increase as their body adapts to this practice. Timing is essential for maximum benefits. You should drink this water immediately upon waking, before brushing your teeth, before coffee, and definitely before any food. Wait at least 30 to 45 minutes before eating your first meal to allow your body to fully process and utilize the water. The quality of water matters more than most people realize. Filtered water that removes chlorine, heavy metals, and other contaminants allows your body to focus on hydration and detoxification rather than dealing with additional toxins. If possible, Add a small pinch of high-quality sea salt to provide essential minerals that support cellular hydration. Some people enhance this practice by adding lemon juice to their morning water. Lemon provides vitamin C and citric acid, which can support liver detoxification and provide additional antioxidant benefits. However, if you have sensitive teeth or stomach issues, plain water is perfectly effective. The long-term benefits of this simple practice are remarkable. People who consistently drink water on an empty stomach report improved energy levels, better digestion, clearer skin, more stable moods, and enhanced mental clarity. Some studies suggest this practice may support healthy weight management and could contribute to longevity. However, there are some important considerations. People with certain kidney conditions should consult their doctor before dramatically increasing water intake. If you're taking medications, particularly those for blood pressure or heart conditions, discuss this practice with your health care provider. This ancient practice has been used in traditional medicine systems for thousands of years, and modern science is now confirming what traditional healers have long known: that proper hydration, especially first thing in the morning, is fundamental to optimal health and vitality. So tomorrow morning, before you reach for your coffee or start thinking about breakfast, reach for a glass of clean, room temperature water. Your body will thank you with increased energy, better health, and improved well-being that lasts throughout the day. Have you tried drinking water on an empty stomach? Share your experience in the comments below. And if this information motivates you to start this powerful health practice, hit that like button to help others discover the transformative power of proper morning hydration.